Lip Care Demystified. Give your lips the love they deserve. Hello to all our English language learners out there. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, lip care. We'll break down its meaning, usage, and why it's important. So, let's jump right in. When we talk about lip care, we are referring to the practice of taking care of one's lips. Just as we have skincare routines for our face, we also have lip care routines to ensure our lips stay healthy, soft, and moisturized. Lip, the soft, movable parts at the opening of the mouth. Care, the process of providing for the needs of someone or something. So, lip care essentially means providing for the needs of the lips. Our lips are exposed to various environmental elements like the sun, wind, and cold temperatures. Unlike other parts of our skin, lips don't produce natural oils to keep them moisturized. That's why they can easily become dry, chapped, or cracked. By practicing lip care, we can prevent dryness and chapping, maintain a soft and smooth texture, protect our lips from harmful environmental elements, enhance the appearance of our lips, making them look more attractive and healthy. When it comes to taking care of our lips, there are a few common practices. 1. Lip balm. This is a moisturizing product applied directly to the lips to soothe and heal dry or chapped lips. 2. Lip scrub. A product designed to exfoliate or remove dead skin cells from the lips. This helps keep lips smooth. 3. Sun protection. Just like the rest of our skin, our lips need protection from the sun. Using a lip balm with SPF, sun protection factor, can shield our lips from harmful UV rays. 4. Hydration. Drinking enough water keeps our entire body, including our lips, hydrated. 5. Avoiding harmful habits. Biting or licking our lips can strip them of moisture, so it's best to avoid these habits. And there you have it. Now you know what lip care means, why it's essential, and some common practices to keep your lips looking and feeling their best. We hope this video has been insightful. Remember, taking care of your lips is a simple yet crucial part of overall self-care. Happy learning! And until next time.